People in the stock market are afraid of bear market to come. However, people who survive the bear market will be successful, as the bear market will make you rich. In this video, I will be showing you on how to beat the bear and be successful in stock market. What is bear market? Bear market happen when the index like Dow Jones or S&P 500 fall down dramatically with 20% or more. This fall is due to the widespread of negative investor sentiment and fear. Bear market will reappear every 4 to 5 years and will last a couple of months or a few years to end the bear. We all should remember that the bull market do not last forever. The bear market will eventually come to stock market as bull end. The stock price will fall drastically and this will affect your investment. What you want to do is to protect your investment from bear market. But how are you be able to do so? First, do not panic. And always keep calm in whatever situation. Do not follow the panic sell from the market to sell out all your stock. Read through the news and do analysis to figure out the real reason for the stock to fall. And remember, the reason you buy the stock is the reason you sell the stock. That is why you should not get influenced by the other seller in stock market. Secondly, keep cash and stock in ratio and always have extra cash in hand. The greatest investor, Warren Buffett, always keep his company in this ratio, which always have sufficient cash on hand in regard maintaining the stock portfolio. Why we want to keep cash in hand? Remember Buffett said, be greedy when people fearful. Be fearful when people greedy. When the bear market came, the stock price will goes down as the investor is selling fearfully. So now you can buy the stock that is undervalued. Thirdly, back to basic. Study more and learn the fundamental of investment like Warren Buffett. Learn and utilize all the basic evaluation ratio to determine the value of a stock. This include price to earning ratio, price to book ratio, debt to equity ratio, return on equity, current ratio. Warren Buffett always wait patiently for the bear market to come, because this will be the opportunity for him to accumulate all the good stock. Never forget the margin of safety. Warren Buffett always apply the margin of safety in his investment. When the stock price fall in accordance with bear market, he will buy the stock at this price level as well as to imply the margin of safety. When the stock price rises and become overvalued, he will sell the stock to secure the profit. We will conclude this video with 3 rules. First, do not panic and always keep calm when the market overreact. Do not follow the seller blindly in the market. Secondly, keep cash and stock in ratio and always have cash. So that when bear came, you will have cash to purchase the stock you desire at discount price. Thirdly, back to basic. Learn and study all the fundamental of investment so you will not miss the opportunity. When the stock price fall in accordance with bear market, be prepared and determine if the stock is undervalued. Buy if the stock now is undervalued. When the bear market is over and the stock price rebounds, you will getting more profit as the bull come. That's why they say bull market will get you rich. Thank you for watching. Please like our video and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming video. Road to Invest.